Here we have a 1966 Shelby Mustang. This powerful and race-ready Mustang became an instant hit on and off the track. The car was such a success that in September of the same year, Shelby struck a deal with Hertz and offered the GT350-H as a rental car. This program was labelled Rent-A-Racer. The car you see here is build number 999 of 999 delivered to Hertz in 1966. It's one of only 48 in this red and gold colour scheme and one of only 12 red and gold cars left in existence. As you can see, this Shelby presents in unrestored condition. But you know what? It's still very, very cool.